Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll walk you through how to check hard disk health using simple built-in Windows tools so you can spot potential drive issues early. Now let's get started. Method 1, Step 1, type CMD in the Start menu and open Command Prompt, which is a built-in Windows tool used to run system commands. This method is useful because it quickly checks your hard disk status without installing any extra software. Step 2, in the Command Prompt window, type WMIC disk drive get model status and press Enter. This command asks Windows to display your hard drive model and its current health status, making it easy to understand at a glance. Step 3, look at the status results shown on the screen. If it says OK, your hard disk is working normally, but if you see pred fail, it means a possible failure is detected and you should back up your files immediately. Method 2, Step 1, right-click on the Start menu and click on Settings to open the Windows Settings panel. This area allows you to manage system updates, security, and hardware-related features. Step 2, inside the Settings window, click on Update and Security, which contains important protection and diagnostic options for your system. This section helps Windows monitor the health and safety of your device. Step 3, from the left-hand panel, click on Windows Security to access built-in protection tools. This dashboard provides an overview of security and performance-related alerts. Step 4, click on Device Performance and Health to check your storage status. Windows will automatically flag any obvious hard disk or storage issues that need your attention. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more easy tech guides.